Hey guys, and welcome to this core workout today. So we're gonna kick off this month with a fun core video, allowing yourselves to feel super strong and nice and firm in your core, especially with all of the holiday goodies around you. So feel free to use a mat, the floor, feel free to wear tennis shoes or not, and then we'll get started, okay? So we're gonna get started laying on our backs. So I want you guys to slowly bring your feet forward and then slowly roll all the way down onto your back. Just want to start my timer for us. Good. Now from here, I just want you to engage the glutes. They're part of the core, so you're just going to raise your hips up and then lower them down. Good. Do that 3 more times. Hips up, lower them down, hips up, lower them down. And then last time, hips up, hold here, press the palms next to you, really, really lift up through the hips, and then exhale, lower down. Good, take the legs out, bring the arms over your head, take a big full body stretch, lengthen out. Good, and then exhale, bend your knees, plant your feet. We have a double sit up, so we're gonna exhale, touch the knees, and then come all the way up, lift your chest, come all the way back down. Good, come up, touch the knees, come all the way up, lift your chest, bring yourself back down. Keep moving through that, so knees up, so it's kind of a 2-part sit up. Come back down, knees up, come back down. Let's do 4 more of those. So tap, up, come back down, really hesitate. So hesitate, and then come up. Good, last 2 right here. Tap, come all the way up, and then last one, you're gonna tap those knees, come all the way up, lift your chest. Good, now from seated, I want you to lift your chest forward, hold your knees to your chest, and then just hold here in your boat. So if your back hurts, put your toes down and then reach the arms forward for me. Good, really firm up through the core. So notice these isolation movements, they start to really challenge you when you hold that space where your body's really quiet and firm and strong. Keep reaching, keep opening your heart. Good, 5. Heart is up, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. We're just gonna place the heels down. You're gonna exhale your palms together, rotate right, come back to center. Rotate left, come back to center. Keeping the heels down protects our back a little bit. We don't really need them up in this exercise because we're moving away from the point of work. So it's allowing us to still feel the core, even though we're turning to one side. Let's do 5, center, 5, center. We'll go to 4, 4, center, 4, center, 3, 3, 2, 2, and then 1, and 1. Nice. Hold here, lift your chest, bring your feet up nice and strong, lower down slowly. Hold the body really strong, and then just start to run through the toes a little bit here. So they sometimes call these swimmers. You've got 5, 4, you should be shaking, 3, 2, exhale, 1. Good, take those arms up and over your head, stretch out the core for a moment. Good, exhale, raise your feet to the sky, place your hands next to you, flex your feet, and then lift your booty and put it down. Lift, lift, lift. So really try to find that core engagement right down through here that helps you pick your butt off the ground and then put it back down. Good, let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your hands behind your head. We're gonna start with a basic bicycle, so just rotating opposite elbow to opposite knee, really trying to bring yourself across the body to do this. So that way, as you're moving side to side, you're really allowing yourself to fire through the core, engaging the obliques. Nice work. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you've got 1 and 1. Good job. Now, little change. So you're gonna rotate, 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 switch legs. So it's a twist, twist, twist. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, shoulders up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. One more to the left for 3, 2. One more to the right for 3, 2, 1. Good. Plant your feet. Place your palms next to you, bridge up to release any tension in the back. Exhale, lower down slowly. From there, bring your knees to 90 degrees. Exhale, crunch up towards your legs, and then lower your head, reach your heels forward, bring them back up. So it's a crunch, down, forward, hug. Crunch, down, forward, hug. Crunch. Head comes down, tap those heels, bring it back. Let's do 4 more. Up, down, reach, 1. Up, down, 2. Good. Up, down, reach. Last one here. Crunch up, put your head down, reach forward, bring it back up. Nice work. We're going to rotate onto our side, so your choice of which forearm you want to start on. Lower the forearm down, raise the hips up, and then reach your top arm up nice and strong. So we're just starting to work gently into those obliques. Take your hand behind your head. Exhale, we're going to roll our elbow down. We're going to bring the elbow back up. Reach the arm overhead. Crunch. Good. Roll 2 times now. Reach overhead twice. 1, 2. Let's continue. So now we have 3. Make it harder by stacking your feet or keep them scissored. And then reach overhead. 3, 2. We're going to 5. Good. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach overhead. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 5. 5, 4. Stabilize. Feel that core. 2, 1. Reach overhead. 5, 4. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Side 2. So I'm just going to rotate so I can still face you. Same idea, same exact exercise. You can turn away from me if you prefer. So hips up when you're ready. Bring your top arm over your head. Hold, start to stabilize in your obliques. From there, place your hand behind your head. Exhale, roll the elbow down. 1. Good. Lift up, reach, tap. Good. Now 2. 1, 2. Reach up. 1, 2. Good. 3. 1, 2, 3. Take your time. Notice I'm moving slow. 1, 2, 3. Now 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going overhead. 4, 3. Keep that bottom hip up. 2, 1. Hand behind head. 1, 2. We got 5. 3, 4. Good. Hand overhead. Reach. 5, 4. Lift that hip. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Have a seat. All right. So back to where we started. We're going to lay down onto the back. Hug your knees in nice and tight and breathe. Good. Plant those feet and just start with a basic crunch to get set up again. Just crunch, lower, crunch, lower, crunch, lower. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Legs up. Good. Reach opposite hand for opposite pinky toe. So just move a little bit side to side for me. Good job. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Keep it up. 3, 2, and 1. So now we're going to get into a little bit of leg lifts, which can hurt your back, so if you need to put something under your low back, you can. We're gonna point those toes. We're gonna go wide through a circle, bring them down, and then bring them back up. Now, if that's too hard, you're gonna point those toes out wide, bend your knees, bring them in, bring them up. All right, otherwise stay with me. Point those toes, go wide. Knees can bend here if you need. Bring it back up. Good, wide, together, point, back up. 4 more. If you want more, you can raise your head, as long as it doesn't hurt. 1, 2, good job. 3, last one. 4, good. Now a traditional leg lift. So head stays down, put your hands into your low back if you need to, just gonna lower those legs, pause, and then bring them back up. So a little shakiness to that stomach. Bring them down, bring them up. Good, bring them down. Bring them up. Notice I'm breathing really, really with full awareness. I'm allowing myself to inhale and exhale as I move. 3 more. Down and up. Notice my down speed mimics the speed that I'm using to lift my legs up. So you don't want to power through that last one. Good. So we're going to build a little speed here. You're going to work with a power sit-up. So it's a similar action to that leg lift, but we just add the sit-up, okay? So start flat, reach those arms overhead. And then on the exhale, you're gonna pull everything in tight. Inhale, reach, maybe you go flat. Exhale, pull it in tight. Good. Let's do 8. Hover for more. 7. 6. Find that speed. 5. You can get that break here by laying flat. 4. Notice, slow down and then speed up. 3. Hover, hover, hover. 2. 1 more. 1. Good. Pull those knees in nice and tight. Lift your chest. And then again, we're going to come back to that boat pose. So pull your knees up and in. Flex your feet. Lift your chest forward. Hold nice and strong here. So again, that really firm isolation. Now you're going to take the outside of your arm. You're going to press it into your leg. But I want you to press your leg back into your arm. That's where it's hard. This, easy. This, arm pushing back into leg, harder. 5. 4, come on, create that traction. 2, if someone were to try to pull your arm and leg away, they wouldn't be able to do it. And switch. So push, push. Feel the outside of that leg push into the arm. Hold, 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 super strong. 4, come on, fight it. 3, 2, hold center. Lift, lift, lift. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Cross those legs, sit up nice and tall. Take a gentle twist to the right. Good work, guys. And a gentle twist to the left. So again, perfect class to pair post-workout, getting some nice core work in, a little bit over 10 minutes, a little less than 15. So you can always make that time. Maybe you do it right before a yoga class on my YouTube channel or right after, or maybe pair it with some cardio like a run or a spin class. Switch the cross of those legs. Let's take a nice forward fold. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Good. And then hopefully that helps you get a little bit stronger. No plank work in this series. So those of you that have injuries in your wrist and shoulders, you should be able to perform most of these exercises. If you ever have questions about modifications, let me know. Nice job, guys. Keep that core strong this holiday.